Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has welcomed the smooth resumption of public transport on Imphal-Guwahati route via National Highway 2. He said this was sharing a post by Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand on social media X account. Khemchand stated that more than 200 passengers travelled from Imphal on a second day of operations in 4 buses and 6 winger vehicles. The transport service resumed on August 21 after remaining suspended for nearly 3 years following the outbreak of ethnic violence in Manipur in May 2023. The resumption is being seen as an important step towards restoring regular connectivity between Manipur, Nagaland and Assam. The Imphal-Guwahati route is a main route link for passengers travelling between Manipur and Assam through National Highway 2. Mention may be made that Chief Minister Y. Khemchand, Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen and MLA Haukolet Kipgen made a joint announcement over resumption of Imphal-Guwahati public transport on National Highway No. 2 during an event held in Kangpokpe. Following the announcement, 125 passengers, including Meitei, in 2 buses and 5 winger vehicles, along with heavy security, were flagged off for Guwahati. Another 4 buses and 6 wingers carrying around 200 passengers were also flagged off yesterday for Guwahati.